Very nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Nice doors.
I'm not happy with them, but they work.
Yeah. Oh, 612s.
Yep.
Can you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Parker.
Okay. What all's in here?
So I've got 6 dead game Huracan B2 subs. Indeed, I can show you all the amps real quick.
Sure, let's do it.
We've got 2 base 8Ks of 154 amp hours of headway lithium.
Okay. Nice. That's lithium?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why not? Let me check out the back while you're showing everything.
Yep.
Very nice.
It's about 2 cubes per sub, turned to tune to 31 hertz.
Is this wood?
Yep.
Okay, so got it all mounted in place.
Yes, sir.
Looks good. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah, I got a 153.8.
Really?
Yep.
That was nice. What peak was it?
I think it was 45.
45?
What?
Very nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it, Parker.
Yeah.
Thanks for showing me. Oh. Sweet. Yeah, the Sundown show this year is a really big turnout. A lot of people.
Awesome turnout.
Yeah, it's all. Cardio of Sundown, like last year, was probably about, I'd say, only half this size. Very nice. Hey, Jess, you want to get the back hatch? Ready when you are, man. Yeah, that's why I said you can grab that one. Don't get the camera wet. Here, I'll turn it on for you. So what is it like in most on the meter?
It likes 45.
45. Okay.
Yep.
Very nice. Thanks for the demo, man.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Nice to meet you, man. Have a good day, Parker.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.